Hello dear students, I am Muhammad Shaheen. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you need to find video lectures about English grammar and literature for all grades, you must visit Online Teaching Lab. Watch and like the videos and click on the bell icon to subscribe the channel so that you may get more and more relevant videos. Thank you. Dear students, in today's video we will discuss a poem titled Home and Love. This poem has been written by Robert William Service. This video includes questions, answers and reference to context. The learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to answer the questions given in the exercise and do a reference to context. Before attempting all the questions, I am giving you the theme of this poem. In this poem, the poet wants to convey the message that both home and love have great significance in human life. In the absence of any of them, our life is incomplete. They are closely related to each other. They are inseparable. These two are the best and sweetest words in all human languages. If we are having both in our life, we are the luckiest people even though we are poor. Now I am going to read the poem, stanza 1. Just home and love, the words are small, 4 little letters unto each, and yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. 2 more so tenderly complete, when angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Stanza 2. Just home and love, it's hard to guess which of the two were best to gain. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. If you win one, you must have two, both home and love. Stanza 3. And if you are both, well then I'm sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor, with these to make divine your song. And so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. Now exercise A1, comprehension. Question A. What are the words that the poet wants to bring to our attention? Answer. Home and love are the words which the poet wants to bring to our attention. Question B. What information does he give us about the words? Mention at least 3 points found in the first verse. Answer: the following are the points which we find in the first verse. Number 1, they are small. 2, they have 4 letters each. 3, there are no words more tenderly complete. 4, angels do not use any sweeter words than these. Question C. What argument does the poet give in the second verse to show that love is no use without home and home is no use without love? Answer: a home without love is bitterness, and love without home is often pain. They will not do alone, but have to go together. Question D. Which common phrase does the poet use to show that love and home work together? Answer: the common phrase which the poet uses to show that love and home work together is hand and glove. Question E. What message does the poet have for those who have both home and love? Answer: the poet says that those who have both, whether they are poor or not, ought to sing the whole day long. The words will make their song divine. Question F. Find words in the poem which have the same meaning as the following: a divine being, abode, needy, obtain, affection. Now, the first phrase is a divine being. It means an angel. Abode, the word in the poem is home. Needy, the word in the poem is poor. And the word obtain means gain. And affection means love. Question G. What to your mind does home mean? When does a house become a home? Answer: a home is a place where we feel comfortable and cozy among our near and dear people, such as parents, brothers and sisters. It is special to us. A house can become a home by living in a family. When a family, love and kindness enter, it makes a house a home. Question H. In your view, can home exist without love? Answer: never. In my view, a home never exists without love. Home and love go together. A reference to context. Answer the following questions with reference to context. A. When angels talk in heaven above. Question: what do they talk about? Answer: they talk about home and love in heaven above. Now part B. Somehow they travel hand and glove. Question 1. What does this mean? It means that home and love go together as a pair. Question 2. What travels in this way? Home and love travel together in this way. Part C. And if you are both. Question 1. What does the both refer to? Answer: both refers to home and love. Question 2. What should you do if you have both? Answer: We should sing the whole day long, and these words will make our song divine. Dear students, thank you very much for your passive listening and learning the poem. In the next video, we will discuss words meanings and paraphrasing. Take care. Goodbye.